Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this bath organizer that I got for my baby. The main reason I got this was for the little foam letters. She is 14 months old and we've been trying to teach her the alphabet, and I thought it would be really cool. She loves bath time and I thought it would be cool to have these to play with her when she is in the bathtub. And then with these little foam letters, you're also going to get two, let me show you this one that I haven't installed yet. So you're gonna get two organizers for your bath as well, which is really cool. I am thinking about putting this one right here on the wall on the top once she has more toys. She doesn't have a lot of toys, so she doesn't need it right now, so I just put this one away. And as you can see, I'm using this one that has some space on the top for you to put shampoo, body wash, and it also has this space on the bottom for you to put toys and also the foam letters. These hooks, they really hold onto the wall. They haven't even moved since we installed them. And as you can see, we have a little bit of weight here. We have this body wash, we also have a shampoo and a bubble bath, and it has been holding it pretty well. They give you 6 different suction cups like this one, and also 4 hooks that you can use in textured walls. Our wall is tile, so we had no problem using the suction cups. And like I said, I really like this. I think this was a great purchase because you not only get the letters for your babies to play with, but you also get this, bath storage, which is very, very useful.